Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to achieve order on UK Amazon. So I'm going to walk you through different method you can use to achieve order. So if you're on the desktop or mobile, here's a simple workaround for you. So if you're on desktop, go to amazon.co.uk and sign in into your account. Then over to your account list at the top right, then select your order. From there, find the order you want to achieve, then click order. Click achieve order next to the order, then again click achieve order again to confirm. Then if you're on the mobile using the desktop mode on your mobile, so open your mobile browser and go to amazon.co.uk, then tap your browser menu and select request desktop site. Then after that, sign in into your Amazon account, then tap on return an order, then find the order you want to achieve, then tap achieve order and confirm. And that's how you can easily achieve order on Amazon UK. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.